Let's build a PC. Hello everyone, it's Lynn again, and as you can tell, I will be building my first PC ever today, and I'm so excited because I think PC building is really cool. Even though I don't know jack shit about it, I am not the farthest thing away from a STEM major. I had my ex-boyfriend build my PC part picker list for me, so it is safe to say that I classify as a noob. But it's been a really cool process to educate myself on how PC parts work, how valuable it is to build your own PC, even if you're not a gamer, because I am definitely not the gamer. I've been wanting to build a PC since the beginning of this year, and I've been saving up since then because I do a lot of heavy video and photography work. First off, it's hella customizable, which means you can shape your PC into whatever works for you. And secondly, it's cheaper than buying a name brand computer, Apple, who totally jacks up the prices of the parts they're giving you in a computer. Plus, if you ever want to upgrade or if a part breaks, it's a lot more inexpensive and way easier to just take out that part and putting a new one rather than buying an entire new computer. If you are a computer aficionado, if you're a computer geek, I'm sorry in advance. I kind of don't know what I'm talking about. But if you're new to computers like me, I'll be breaking down all the parts I got and showing you the assembly of my PC, setting up my peripherals, kind of giving a tour of what my desk space is gonna look like. So without further ado, let's go! I'm so excited. Let's hope I don't F it up. It's okay, I have my ex-boyfriend on speed dial, if I do. I never read instruction manual! Thank God this is like a reversible process. I am not noob. I am noob. Oh, SSD. Like Casey Neistat right now. Baby screw. Lay this bad boy down. It's not falling apart. Well, it's not like I'm not gonna take my PC on a roller coaster anytime soon. Rainbow colors. Ooh. Instructions. Probably won't read them. Agua. This PC's on fire. Let's go. Okay, that's about it. As you can see, here are the RGB, all connected. Pretty good, it's looking pretty clean. Fancy. Ooh. This graphics card was like $650, $700, so I'm glad the packaging is really nice. I guess some stickers. I'm such a hoe for stickers. Oh, I get a poster. Okay. Hot drive. Oh, it matches my outfit. Big boy power supply. After connecting it to the hard drive. Okay, next. Oh, big boy. Okay. What do you do?
Yep.
So it's a bad thing if it's shortcut. Oh, okay.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Is it working?
It is.
It is! Now that we're done with that, now we have to clean all this up. There's so much stuff. And there's the computer box too. And it's so messy. Yay, we did it. Hello everyone, I would like to take a moment to thank and talk about today's sponsor, Logitech. Here is the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 mouse, which is a lovely mouse for at home, at work, or on the go, never sacrificing performance. It's perfect for creativity and productivity, and the MX Anywhere 3 mouse is comfortable, portable, and really easy to use. As someone who has been using a trackpad exclusively for the past 4 years, it was important that I found a good mouse for the vast amount of editing and schoolwork I have to do. With a sleek, modern design that still has a nice weight since it's made with premium materials, this mouse in the color variation pale gray has been the perfect addition to my new PC setup. Plus, the Bluetooth feature makes it ideal for using it while I'm away from home. It comes with a USB-C cable that quickly charges it up and a USB receiver to connect it to any device. Compatible with multiple devices and operating systems, it's hecka simple to switch from one device to another by presetting the connections with the button customizations on the back, which allows you to establish connections with up to 3 devices and transition from one device to another with just a press. I've experienced a smoother workflow. I've used it in my desk, in the dining room, on the plane. It's the best to travel with or just to add to your home setup. If you're looking for one of the best versatile mice, check out the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 mouse by clicking on the link in the description box below. So thank you to Logitech once again for sponsoring this video. Now back to the regular broadcast. Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the PC build. I went out to Best Buy today to get a wired keyboard and I bought a physical copy of Windows 10 so we can install this baby. Hey y'all want to see a real life metaphor of how much of a mess my life has been? How much of a mess my mental being has been? Well, just look under my desk. I'm now going to manage all these cables. God, I don't know how long it's gonna take. my PC build and my desk setup. I'm so happy that I get all the resources I do to just create wonderful content and put it out there for you guys. I look forward to creating cool stuff on the system and maybe playing a little bit of Minecraft, maybe shaders. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. I love y'all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!